Okay, welcome to a class on passive forms. Now, passive, what is passive? Let me show you with two sentences. And we're going to look at present simple, then past simple, then present continuous, then past continuous, then present perfect, and then modal verbs, which is will. You know, will is a modal verb. And so we will look at future as well with will. And we'll even touch on gerund and to plus infinitive in the passive, because they can also be put in the passive. But let's start with present simple. Let's start with the basics. So I could say something like this. I play football on this field every Saturday. Yeah, I could say that, couldn't I? I play football on this field every Saturday. I play football in this park every Saturday. And remember that present simple, because every Saturday. Yeah, anything that's repeated every Saturday, every Monday, on Saturdays, I play football. Yeah, anything that happens regularly, we need to use present simple. Now, maybe I don't want to talk about who plays football. Yeah, maybe I don't want to say I play football. Maybe I don't play football. Maybe a group of guys play football every Saturday and I don't know who they are. And if I don't know who they are, I'll probably say football is played on this field every Saturday, because I don't want to give you information about who plays football. So I use the passive. This sentence here, and especially this part here in red, I've tried to put it in a different colour so you can see it. That is the passive form of play in present simple. Okay, I play is active, but it is played is passive. So this is what I mean by passive. It's where you can put the object at the front and make the verb different so that you get the same meaning, yeah, but you don't have to say who plays football. You just say football is played on this field every Saturday. So to make passive, to make an active verb passive, we do this. We use am, is, or are, forms of the verb to be, and you will see that passive is all about the verb to be. In past simple passive, you've got was or were. In present simple, you've got am, is, and are. Present continuous, you've got am, is, are, being, and third. So the verb to be is always used in the passive, but in present simple, it's just am, is, are, and then the third form. Yeah, remember, we need to learn our third forms. For the irregular verbs, it's necessary. You have to learn break, broke, broken, speak, spoke, spoken, write, wrote, written. Yeah, so that you know this is written or is spoken or is broken, because you need to use that third form. Let's look at some more examples. I make coffee in the kitchen. Yeah, but maybe I don't want to tell you about who makes coffee. And I just say coffee is made. Yeah, there's the third form of make, made, make, made, made. Play is regular. Yeah, play, played, played. Make is a little bit irregular. Make, made, made, but it sounds similar. Yeah. Coffee is made in the kitchen, or in active, I make coffee in the kitchen. Okay, so I hope this is all clear so far. This is the passive form, is made. Yeah, I make is the active form, but coffee is made is the passive form. Okay, our manager organises weekly meetings. Weekly meetings are organised. Yeah, there's the passive form, are organised. Notice it's plural now, meetings. So we can't say meetings is. We've got to say weekly meetings are. And that's why I write here, it's three possibilities, yeah? It could be an am, if it's I, which you're talking about. It could be is, or it could be are. Yeah, so weekly meetings are organised. Now, if you want to say who organises the meetings, you can say our manager organises the meetings, or you can say the meetings are organised by the manager. And we always use this preposition in passive to say who the agent was, who organised the meetings, yeah? So please remember this by. You'll see it. When you see it, you know you've got a passive sentence, because we use that by to make the sentence passive and to give information about who actually organised the meetings. Okay, so she cuts the grass every month. Okay, nice and clear. She cuts. That's the active form. In passive, the grass is cut every month. And it's not is cutted. Yeah, because cut, put,